Hi, welcome back to the Chinese Slang Gang. I'm Salidi. It's great to see you again. The first thing I teach about Chinese is always how to count. In this video, we're going to learn how to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese. From 0 to 10, we have 11 Chinese characters. This may sound like a lot, but it's easier than it sounds. We're going to learn how to say them and how to recognize them in writing. I hope that you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's count. 0 is the most complicated looking character, so we're going to save it until the end of this video. Let's look at 1 to 10 first. Whenever we speak Chinese, we'll have to pay close attention to what we call the Chinese tones, because they're very important. There are 4 tones plus a neutral tone in Mandarin Chinese. I have my own way to call them because I like to keep things simple. I call them the way they look. I like to call the first tone the flat tone, the second tone the up tone, the third tone I call it the down up tone. The fourth tone, we're going to call it the down tone. So flat, up, and down. All right, now the numbers. The number 1 in Chinese is yi, with the first tone, the flat tone. Yi, yi. The number 2 is with the fourth tone, the down tone. R, R, R. The number 3 is the flat tone again. Don't worry about memorizing which tone matches which number. Just train your ears for now. Concentrate on the sounds. Number 3 is san, the first tone. San, san. The number 4 is the fourth tone, the down tone. Si, si, si. Number 5 is a tough one because it is the third tone, which is the hardest tone, the down-up tone. The number 5 sounds like this. Wu, wu, wu. Before we move on to the number 6, let's remember what we've learned so far. 1, yi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5. Nice work. Let's keep going. The number 6 is the fourth tone, the down tone. 6, 6, 6. Then number 7 is the first tone, the flat tone. 7, 7, 7. Number 8 is the first tone again. 8, 8, 8. Number 9 is the third tone, down up tone. It's a little bit hard. Get ready. 9, 9, 9. Number 10 is the second tone, the up tone. 10, 10, 10. Let's remember numbers from 6 to 10. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, get ready to count from 1 to 10 with me. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you have it. We still have 0 though. This one is easy to say. 0 is 0, the second tone, the up tone. 0, 0. Let's take a look at the writing of these numbers. Remember I said that the character of 0 looks very complicated? Take a look here. 0. All right, let's look at number 1, 2, and 3. They're the easiest ones. 1 is just 1 bar. 2 is 2 bars. And 3 is 3 bars. But 4 looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9. 10 is the easy one. It is a cross. Finally, we have 0. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is very important to learn how to count. Chinese slang phrases mention numbers all the time. We're going to use these simple numbers to build up your vocabulary. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you again in other videos. Bye.